In this video, we're going to be talking about something that some of you are going to find quite touchy. So again, if you are easily offended, I would not recommend you watch this video. I would stop right now before you continue any further. Right now, we're going through a transformative phase in life, in history, in our human history. AI is coming out at a rapid pace where it is creating images, where it is creating scripts, copywriting, where it is creating all different things that humans used to be able to do and to some extent still can do. But things like ChatGPT-01 are able to do it, and not just do it, they're able to do it at such a better rate. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get sick, it doesn't run out of ideas. It is run on pure data, which is effectively an infinite amount of possibilities of what it can actually do. How long can we keep competing, and the keyword competing, with AI until we get to the point of where not even we just have to accept, where just logically and in real time, logistically, it is just better than us and we're replaced? And that is the question that I'm hoping to answer right now. And the real question is, how long can the humans last like this right now before they are replaced in redundant jobs? You know, effectively going to university is a waste of time, it is a waste of money, it is a waste of other opportunities where you could be bettering yourself on other skill sets with AI. That is my opinion, and some people will agree with that, a lot of people won't agree with that, but that is the way that I see it. That is what I see in real time, and that is also a matter of fact where these jobs where, you know, you'd spend 5-6 years to be a coder or an engineer or something like that, you're being replaced. They're going. I can do it on ChatGPT right now. I'm not saying I know what I'm doing or not, but I can guarantee I can put in a prompt that will fast enough do what you can do and do it better than you. Same with video editing, same with video creation. And I want this to give you an emotional response, because that is how you need to react right now. You need to act. One thing right now that you need to be aware of is automation. Automation is in AI can do things in the background. When you are sleeping, AI is working. When you are working, AI is also working. AI doesn't sleep. AI doesn't rest. It doesn't get tired, like I've already said. And in real time right now, that is becoming an issue. And just to give you an example right now, you're going to see over the top of this screen as I'm talking in real time, me just pressing enter, and a script is going to be made from a very simple prompt. This isn't going to be a detailed prompt or anything. Very simple, and it's just to show you how generic the prompt is. It is still giving a damn good answer that is still generic, but better than what most people could probably do right now, and that's in seconds. A lot of people in today's age compared to the past are lazy. People want things now. They want it instantly. They don't want to work for it. You know, you could probably have had that attitude for the past 10, maybe 20 years, but when you compare that to my parents' generation or my grandparents' generation, where they had to work. If they did not work, they had no money. If they had no money, well, they couldn't eat. As simple as that. But as life has moved on, I think as humans, we have regressed as wanting to increase our skill set because things have become more automated. You know, instead of having to hone a skill over many years, much of the time, I know this is the irony now, but back in the day, you would have had to have taken a long time. For me to be able to make videos like this, it's taken me 7, nearly 8 years of learning how to do this. That is a time investment of nearly a decade. As content creators and as people as a whole, in my opinion, are getting lazier. Well, AI doesn't get lazy, it just gets more efficient. And I've always said, don't use AI to replace you, use AI and learn it to aid you, to speed up your workflow, but always know how to use it, always know how to benefit your skill set with it and not be replaced by it, but don't let it replace you. And then there's also the fear of obsolescence. Are humans more creative than AI, or is AI more creative than humans? And effectively, well, AI comes across as being more creative than humans because it's just trained on a lot of data. It's creative because it is trained on just hours and hours, thousands and thousands of words, pictures, videos, whatever. And that's why you have people right now who are suing people like OpenAI. You have them suing Leonardo AI and all different companies like that because they have used other people's work to effectively train their models to be creative, so to speak. So is AI more creative? I wouldn't say AI is more creative, but I would say AI is a lot more efficient because that's the way it's been designed to be. And then we also have the strength of human creativity. Humans cannot be replaced by AI in the sense of our emotional depth, our emotional intelligence, the fact we have emotions, the fact we are able to freely think to some extent. I'll go into a different subject on that another day, but to some extent we are able to still think freely. This is the differentiator between AI and humans. But let me give you another example. If we say to ChatGPT-01, well, create a short little voiceover or narration for a little story that I'm making, then you take that script and you put it in 11 labs.
Well, 11 labs can create a fantastic voice that sounds super realistic now.
And even though humans do have that, well, to some extent, when you start putting AI voiceovers and text, you know, from chatbots like ChatGPT or whatever it may be, well, it sounds like a human. So to some extent, we still have emotional depth, but we are being replicated. We are being sort of caught out. And you could say, well, you know, it's a copy, it's a carbon copy. Yes, but it's still happening. So I'm past that point of looking at it. Look at what's happening around you and think to yourself, how can I best react to this to put myself in the best position going forward? If you want to stay relevant, you need to find out what distinguishes you from the rest of the crowd. If you are just another copy and paste type of person, well, AI is coming, it's advanced as hell, and it just keeps coming out. Look at the updates that have only just come out this year again, and ask yourself, what's it going to do next year? What's it going to do in the next 6 months, 3 months? You know, so even with ChatGPT's new advanced AI voice model, which I still haven't got access to yet, watched enough videos about it. Wow, sounds like you're talking to a person. There's people who get emotionally attached to these voices, AI voices. If I were you, I would put myself in the best position going forward and make myself relevant so I don't get replaced. That is the honest answer from me. Let me know if you agree with my opinion. Let me know if you don't agree with my opinion, or if you think something completely different, or if you think I'm talking a load of rubbish. Whatever you think, but other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.